The new lens system is a trap. You'll pay more than the camera itself. The HERO13 Black is a great action cam, but at $399, the real cost is hidden in the lenses you'll never buy. Here's what you get. 27MP photos and 5.3K video. Capture high-quality 27MP photos and up to 5.3K 60 video with the GoPro HERO13 Black. Whether recording in UHD 5.3K 60 for K120 or 2.7K 240 for 8x slow-motion playback, this camera delivers crisp and cinematic image quality. The 1/1.9-inch sensor, HDR/HLG options, and advanced GP log color depth make it perfect for professionals and enthusiasts seeking stunning visuals. HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization. Equipped with HyperSmooth 6.0 and Auto Boost, the HERO13 Black ensures steady and smooth footage, even in extreme conditions. The 360 horizon lock feature keeps your video level, no matter how much the camera rotates. Ideal for action sports or dynamic scenes, this feature reduces cropping, ensuring optimal framing with minimal distortion, and versatile recording options and battery life. Toggle between widescreen, vertical, and full-frame capture modes for different shooting needs. The HERO13 Black offers extended battery life with a 1900 mAh Duro battery, providing up to 1.5 hours of 5.3K video recording. The camera is waterproof up to 33 foot without a housing, making it ideal for outdoor and underwater adventures. The 5.3K 60 video is sharp and detailed, and the 1/1.9-inch sensor holds up well in good light. You get 4K 120 slow-mo that looks smooth, and the 8x slow-mo at 2.7K 240 is a blast for action shots. HyperSmooth 6.0 is genuinely impressive. It keeps footage stable even when you're bouncing around on a mountain bike. The 360 horizon lock is a killer feature for POV shots, and it doesn't crop as much as previous versions. The 1900 mAh Enduro battery is a real upgrade. I got close to 1.5 hours of 5.3K recording on a single charge. That's better than the DJI Osmo Action 4's endurance in real-world use. Bluetooth audio is a godsend. You can pair wireless mics directly, which fixes the old "wind noise ruins everything" problem. Wi-Fi 6 transfers files fast, and the Quick app is less clunky than it used to be. The camera is waterproof to 33 feet without a housing, which is perfect for snorkeling or shooting in rain. It's also built like a tank. I dropped it on rocks and it survived without a scratch. The HB series lens system is a cash grab. Each lens costs over $90, and you need them for ultra-wide or anamorphic shots. At $399, the camera should include at least one alternate lens, or the system feels like a bait-and-switch. The 1/1.9-inch sensor is smaller than the 1-inch sensor in DJI's Osmo Action 4, which shows in low light. Footage gets noisy faster. If you shoot a lot at dusk or indoors, this is a real drawback. The bundled accessory kit is mostly junk, plastic mounts and cheap clips that you'll never use. It inflates the perceived value, but the only useful item is the 64GB card, which is slow and fills up fast. The camera overheats after about 20 minutes of continuous 5.3K 60 recording, especially in warm weather. That's a deal breaker for vloggers or anyone who needs long takes without a break. If you're already in the GoPro ecosystem and want the best stabilization, the HERO13 Black delivers. But for most people, the DJI Osmo Action 4 offers better value with a larger sensor and lower price. Only buy the HERO13 if you're a diehard GoPro fan or specifically need the lens system. Check the current price and bundle deals in the link below. See if the HERO13 Black is worth it for your setup.